Sorry, I ditched my nose there. Huh? Shut up, Ray. Smash it.
I got it, I'm holding on to it here. Do it.
Okay. Be careful about this.
Turn that.
Yeah, we have to turn. Yeah, turn.
Opposite again?
Yeah. Usually this part is tight.
Okay.
So you have to put this one, small screws, short screws, and you can right. You can open like this.
Something like that. Which way do we have to go? That way?
Yeah. Like that. Good. So take out. No, take out all together.
Okay.
Yeah, all together. Perfect. You have to be careful because inside we have a spacer, small spacer. Okay, good. Right. Yeah. Spacer inside. Okay. Look.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Then also the pin. Inside pin there. Okay. So sometimes this is tight. You can put inside, unlock with the key.
Key. Spanner.
Yeah, with this one.
Oh.
This one. Here and open.
Okay.
Because we need to open when we reassembly. This one.
So best is to pull it off as a complete assembly, and then once the motor is out, pop that apart. Okay.
So now to open, same like this way.
Okay.
Yeah. So take out the rotor vane. One more. One more. Okay. Clean everything. Then we have to take out this part because I wanna be sure about
The bearing.
plate. Okay. I'm gonna take
In the middle.
yeah. Use your trick. Stop. Take out this.
Oh yes. So now next is take that out, or no?
Okay, so now you have to check this part. No, yeah. Usually with special fire, diamond fire. You know diamond fire?
Yep.
Yeah.
You have to clean. I'm gonna take one.
Washing my unit, yes I am.
Brown washing his unit.
This is with treatment.
Okay. heat treated, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What a team.
Tonti and Ray. T-Ray.
Okay. The most important of T5 it's this measure.
The length.
Yeah, the length of those one, because sometimes it's longer than rotor, and you cannot look. This is too longer.
What's the length of that?
It's 90 less about 0.07.
Okay, so that one's okay.
That's one okay, yeah.
So Mike, you want an 89.93.
Okay.
Anything, is that too long probably, or?
This is okay. This was too long, so look. Sometimes it's dirty, or sometimes material sticking on the top.
Okay.
Just a little bit, and then check. You can see the longer one make this part marking, because
You can see how wide.
yeah, right, yeah. So now we put back this one inside,
That one, yeah.
yeah, with hammer,
With money. Mallet.
yeah. Anti-stop, yeah, anti-stop. Okay. Now you have to be sure, because look,
A little bit.
okay.
Okay.
So you have to
Around the edge.
yeah, this big one. Big one. This one.
Surround the
Inside, yeah, inside. Check. Too much. Doesn't turn.
Yeah,
Okay.
tight.
Now, with this one,
Just
One-
in your hand.
in one hand and check, and you do until make free.
I didn't do anything that last
I'm
one.
not as strong as Tonti. Yeah, hold it like there we go. Not getting it. I don't have the gift.
One more. Swift.
I'm gonna use this side of the hammer. No, that's still too tight, eh?
No, too tight. It must be free.
Spin free.
I think you eat too much before.
Ah.
Doesn't matter. It's okay. This is to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One, two more.
Good.
Oh, still pretty tight.
No.
Oh. Should be able to just spin it like you spun that other one.
It's not, it's the operator, it's not the tools, trust me. I don't think I'm holding that hard.
Grip down further on that hammer. Get a better momentum.
Yeah. I'm not going in straight. No,
Okay.
I'll let the pro do it.
No.
Easier in
Ah,
there.
yeah. Okay.
Watch this now.
Ah.
See?
You can even hear it. Ah.
Not bad, not bad.
Check, because sometimes it's too much. Check.
Feels good. Too much light? No?
Yeah, it's too much. Just a little bit. Just when you do the first time, no,
Yeah.
but just a little bit. This is very important because if you make the right regulation on that, look, this is too much. Look,
Too tight? Yeah.
yeah, too tight. Then
One of my hits.
this is the best one. Very precise.
Yeah. Looking good.
Yeah, so now rotor vane. Check. Must be all inside.
Yeah. Looks good.
So the stator has two positions.
Okay.
One to make a left rotation. This position to make a right rotation. Our it's a right.
Okay.
And we have the elastic pin up
Okay.
and the fixed pin down. So we have to put in this way, like this,
Okay.
and then this one must be like this, with
Pin. Okay.
pin, you
Lines up.
line, okay, and then I'm gonna take this one.
Get that, Mike. That hole lines up with that pin.
The elastic pin up.
Yes. On right-hand rotation.
Yeah.
So, uno, two, just a little.
Until stop, but go until stop. Okay. Then check. Must be. Look, this is too much.
Yep.
Make a little bit free. No. Just the back is okay.
Okay.
We have to make free on the front with hammer
So,
on hand.
ah,
Just a little bit. Okay. Check.
yeah,
Perfect.
good one.
Yeah, this is perfect. Look, you can also you can check. This is very.
You want to feel that, Mike, to see how?
Sure.
Are for a right direction.
Okay.
This one for a left direction. So we have to find the three holes on the right, like this.
When they line up.
Yeah, and find the pin position. So, okay.
Okay.
Then, after that, you put this one here. This part, yeah. This part here,
Okay.
and because
That's the, you line the pin up there,
yeah.
Dante?
Then put this. Screw. Align the rotor like this.
So as you're turning, you
Just a moment. you have to make on the center and turn.
Okay, yeah.
Because we have still working. Tight. Press it. Like this. Okay.
How tight there, Tante? Just
Just lock, because when we lock on gearbox,
Yep.
become tight.
Okay.
So, and then we have two kind of washer.
Okay.
This one is old.
Okay.
The new style, the new washer inside is like a spring.
Okay.
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 So this must be inside here. Okay. This must be
Okay.
inside also. You have to push and be sure this is
Make sure that that's set in the gears.
Seated nice, yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then horizontal. Can screw in. Oh, be careful, be careful. It's come out.
Okay.
It's easy to come out.
So Ray dumped it out there.
And it's the other way, right?
Yeah, right. No. Just turn. It's become tight because the teeth goes on the wrong position. So
Yeah.
you have to turn a little bit.
You want me to tighten that
Yeah.
good?
Yeah, then we check everything's okay. You have to find
The three holes?
3 holes on inside air.
Okay.
Okay. Then you can.
If that's not lined up, you keep turning that a little bit? or-
No. Because it's
You have to take it back off.
yeah, back off because the pin lose the position.
Lose position. If the pin's in position, it'll be lined up?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you better to have a long one like this, and third lock. Not too much, but enough. So if you lock and this third, everything is okay.
Okay.
If you lock and this become something wrong.
Okay. So then you'll have to pull that all off and line probably that pin again?
No, you have to